Hopefully we're all ready now. This is in case this doesn't work because I've tried to put the camera on this. Welcome to M&N's Travels and Adventure channel. Today we're going to review the 8807hd-g. It's not a new drone, it's been around a while, but I've just crashed it a lot. So I'm going to have a go and see if I can get it off the ground today, hopefully. Right then, so we need to start the engines, hopefully. On off is... Right, are we ready? Are you ready? Stand well back, because... Oh, hang on. Ready? It's going to the sea. Shit, come back. I think it's lost signal. Darling, that's going down. Well, that was probably a more successful flight than we had last time we tried this. But it does tend to go where it bloody likes. Well, that was better than it went last time, but it pays absolutely no attention to what I'm doing with the sticks. It just goes where it wants, which is not ideal. And now the wind's getting up a bit, which is a shame because it was perfectly not windy when I set off. It was really alright, and now it's just going where it wants, which is a little bit annoying. So, do I recommend this 30 quid toy drone with a camera that I can't seem to make record anymore unless it's in the living room? No, actually I don't recommend it at all. But if you want 30 quid to see if you can fly a drone, it's worth it. But you'll find you can't fly it because it's unflyable. There you go, ready? Hello and welcome to M&N's Travels and Adventure channel here in North Wales. Today we've been trying to test the 8807hd-g, and is it worth buying? Honestly, nah. It's a 30 quid toy drone. It does what it says on the tin, but you won't fly it because this bears no resemblance to what this is doing. I've just tried to fly it and it just basically fucked off into the sea by itself. Try again or not? I'm going to try one more go, yeah. But I'm not holding my breath. That's if it'll fire up. It might decide it's had enough for today. But the camera on board, which costed another couple of quid, it says 720p camera. Unfortunately, it's not really recording today because it records perfectly fine when it's in the living room and not actually doing anything. But when you want to bring it out and actually record, it goes, nah. Altitude hold, it's working. And it's going away. Whoops, watch out, Shell, it's coming to you. It's very, it doesn't particularly like. It's hovering though. Watch out. See, it doesn't hover very stably, does it? It needs constant adjustment. See what I mean? It needs constant adjustment to fly. See, I'm not doing anything, it's doing that by itself. And that's the problem I have with this. In case it is filming, there we go. It's now facing us. It likes to go, watch out! Look, sorry. Right. It likes to go, watch out! Look, sorry. See, it likes to go left a lot. That's not me, it's doing it itself. That's not me, it's doing it itself. Let's try a bit of altitude, eh? Come forward, come forwards. Shall look out, it's going to come back. I'm bringing it down a bit. See, it flies left on its own. It's coming for you again. That's the best test I've had with it. I did crash it, but that's encouraging. How do I feel about it now? It goes left by itself an awful bloody lot, and it does have trim buttons, but they don't appear to do anything. The landing gear's just, it's not broke, it's just folded. Right, I'm going to turn it off because I've had enough of that one. I'll just fold it up, I think. Something like this. I probably should have folded it up while the landing gear was still up, actually. That to that, something like that, yep. And to that. So it's portable form. That's it. It's quite small. It's all right for what it costs. But do I like it? Not really. Okay.